If you got eating allergies, I'm talking about you're gluten sensitive, you're allergic to grains, or you got to worry about food blow-up-suating your stomach and making you have to clear out the room, forcing you to a low FODMAP diet, yo, I'm gonna need you to pay attention to this one because we got something that's good for you. My name is Gift Tommy Baylor. I'm here with Health Enhanced Foods, and we are the baking mix company that tries to make sure that you got the right baking mix for your special dietary needs. We want to make sure you living good. All right, that's basically it. We want to make sure you living good. Today, I want to talk to you about one of our favorite products, Chickpea Pancake and Muffin Mix. Now, look. For those that don't know, they might call this chickpea. They might call it garbanzo beans. You might call it chana or chi or gram beans. Like whatever it is you call it, all you need to worry is that it is a relief, peace, and prosperity for you. We got something that we know that you can eat for the morning time that lets you be able to have a great start to the day, great peace of mind, and no ramifications to your body whenever you eat it. This is eating your pancakes, your muffins, your scones, your waffles, whatever the breakfast food that you need to make, it's there for you. What makes this so special for you and make sure that you are able to keep some peace of mind is that it carries a mixture of chickpea flour, buckwheat flour, and sunflower seeds. What do? They create stabilization of your blood sugar and make sure that your body is able to absorb the food and digest it in the way that it needs to, slowly, correctly, and extracting the right amount of nutrients for your body. On top of that, it makes sure that it's not going to create fermentation so that your body doesn't have to start feeling like you're a bloated person from Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, or that you feeling gassy and have to clear out the jungle like you're Pumbaa from The Lion King. We want to make sure that you are feeling the best that you can after you eat, and on top of that, satisfied, solidified, and ready to go, because that's what this is all about. Giving you peace of mind and ease to be able to make on with the next day. Whether you're gluten sensitive, whether you're allergic to grains, don't have to worry about that. Whether you have to do low FODMAP and you're on a paleo diet, or you just have medical issues that you have to make sure that the food that you eat is not going to create fermentation, we got you on that. And you're gonna wanna check out our chickpea pancake and muffin mix to be able to start your day. Absolutely go to the caption down below. This scientifically proven, people recommended baking mix just for you is also in the bio, link in the bio, or definitely check out the shop to be able to get your order today. On top of that, we got a holiday special going on where you are going to get 17% off your order up until the end of the year. That's till December 31st. So you don't want to miss out on this. It's peace. It's relief. Why are you trying to worry about, are you going to suffer or not? Stop the suffering. You don't have to deal with this one. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Cheers.